The Galaxy S20, the Galaxy S20, one of the most anticipated devices of 2020, the Galaxy S20. We've been hearing so many things about this device. So all the NDAs is over with. Now we can post the videos about the device. What's up, everybody? This is Ergonomics Computer Solutions. So the wait is over. Let me give you guys my impressions and hands-on with the Galaxy S20. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Woo! Let's go. All right, guys, this is Eric back with another video. Got hands-on with the Galaxy S20 Plus here. Got it on deck, guys. As you can see, we got the cameras here on deck. We got this huge display here. We're gonna talk about specs here, and let's go ahead and talk about it. We got this huge 6.7-inch QHD Plus display. We got the Snapdragon 865 processor with 12 gigs of RAM on this one. We got 128 gigs of internal storage. Of course, we got SD card support. We got all these nice, beautiful cameras on the back, which consist of 64 megapixels and do 12 megapixels here, and time of flight camera, and all the bells and whistles. So we got One UI 2 running on here. And as you know, with Samsung, it will be a great phone overall. Let's go on and talk about the ergonomics of this device. And one of the things that I like here is that the device is really flat here instead of the curved design that we had with previous devices. So I got my Galaxy Note, and as you can tell with the Galaxy Note, you had that curved design. So with the Galaxy S20 Plus, we do have that nice flat design, which is great. It does have a little curve in it, but overall it is a nice flat design. So one of the main features of Samsung toting about this device is the cameras. So let's go and talk about the cameras for a second. We do have some unique features in the camera system. We do have what's called single take. Which is a new feature that we have here. We have hyperlapse. We have director's view here. We do have night mode and more. And now, for a lot of things that I've preached about with the Galaxy devices, now we do have Pro mode. So Pro mode is now available on the Galaxy S20 Plus. Going through the OS, obviously, is going to be very quick and responsive. The display here. Now, a lot of people ask the question about the display, and at 1080p, you're going to get 120 hertz, but at 1440p, you can get it's going to be at 60 hertz. So just so you know, let's go ahead and go into the refresh rate here, and I want y'all guys to see this. So here we got 60 hertz, and if you go to standard mode, you can go to 120 hertz at 1080p. But if I crank this display up to 1440p, it's going to give you only 60 hertz. So that's what Samsung is toting right now, which is something, hey, it is what it is. But if you look at the ergonomics of this device, it's pretty good now. So let's talk about the cameras. I got some still footage for you guys real quick, and I'm going to show you guys the still footage with this camera and go from there. So check this out.
The Chosen.
So one of the things that I like about this device, right, is the display. And you know what? Here's the thing. Samsung always give you that good, beautiful, vibrant display. I mean, when you look at this phone and you scroll through the screen, especially if you have it at 1080p with the 120 hertz enabled, you notice that the screen is very good. Now, once you bump it up to 1440p, you will lose that 120 hertz refresh rate. You would go all the way down to 60 hertz. Now, to me, I made videos about this, talking about 60 hertz versus 90 hertz versus 120 hertz. And I can tell you that you have to have a lot of apps that support that. And in the App Store, you have a very few apps that support like 120 hertz and 90 hertz and stuff like that. But when you do have it on 120 hertz, going through the home screen is a lot fast and fluid. But one of the things that I do like about the Galaxy S20 is that no longer that ultra curved display. Now we have a nice minimum curve as far as curving the display, which is very good, because one of the biggest complaints that a lot of people had was that the display was curved too much. So one of the things that Samsung did with the Galaxy S20 was it didn't curve it as much as it did from the previous device. Look, here's the thing. Everything about the Galaxy S20 is all about the cameras. And I'm going to do a detailed camera review, daytime, nighttime, and everything in between with the Galaxy S20. And y'all guys going to get full coverage of the Galaxy S20. But one of the things that Samsung took away was the headphone jack. So a lot of people knew that was coming, and we got full confirmation that the headphone jack is going away on the Galaxy S20. So that's one of the things that we knew it was coming, but it's here now. So long gone the headphone jack. We are now jackless. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the Galaxy S20. I have more coverage to come, so stay tuned and subscribe. This is Ergonomics Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy S20 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. I got more to come. A lot of videos coming, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Later.